These 6 simple isometric exercises can transform your entire body, without weights, machines, or even much space. If you've ever wanted to build strength, improve posture, and increase endurance without setting foot in a gym, isometrics are your best friend. Instead of performing endless repetitions, you simply hold a position, activating deep muscle fibers that most people rarely use. By the end of this video, you'll know the 6 most effective isometric positions that can reshape the way you train. Before we start, comment your name and the city you're watching from. Isometric position number 6. Superman. Lie face down with your arms and legs extended, then lift them slightly off the ground as if you're flying. This powerful static hold strengthens your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. The key is not to overarch. Your chest should rise only enough to feel the contraction without straining. Keep your gaze downward to protect your neck and breathe normally. Many beginners mistakenly hold their breath, which increases tension in the spine. Start with 3 sets of 20 seconds, focusing on squeezing your glutes to support your lower back. As you improve, extend the hold to 30 to 40 seconds, or try alternating arms and legs. No equipment needed. A simple mat is enough. Isometric position number 5, push-up, hold. Instead of performing a full push-up, lower yourself halfway and freeze. This position intensely targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Keep your body aligned from head to heels, elbows slightly bent, and avoid letting your hips drop or rise into a V shape. If 20 seconds is too hard, place your knees on the floor. A common mistake is shrugging your shoulders toward your ears. Keep them down and stable. With time, try holding up to 60 seconds or lowering even closer to the floor for a tougher variation. Isometric position number 4, wall squat. Also known as the invisible chair, this isometric squat burns the thighs quickly. Slide down the wall until your knees form a 90-degree angle, then hold. Keep your back flat against the wall and your chest open. For beginners, 20 seconds for 3 sets is already challenging. If you try the freestanding version, make sure your torso stays upright and your knees don't travel too far forward. This position strengthens the quadriceps, improves knee stability, and builds core control. Over time, increase the hold duration or add a dumbbell for extra intensity. Isometric position number 3, dead hang. Hanging from a bar may look simple, but it quickly tests your grip, shoulders, and core. Hold the bar at shoulder width, arms extended, and avoid letting your shoulders rise toward your ears. A good starting point is 10 to 20 seconds. As you progress, aim for 30 to 60 seconds. The dead hang also decompresses the spine, which can relieve tension from long hours of sitting. When you're stronger, try advanced variations like one-arm hangs, but only after consistent practice. Isometric position number 2, glute bridge hold. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes hard and keep your core tight. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, increasing gradually as your strength improves. If you feel lower back discomfort, lower your hips slightly and increase abdominal engagement. You can progress to single leg holds or elevate your upper back on a bench for extra challenge. Isometric position number 1, plank, the king of all isometrics. Hold your body in a straight line on your forearms or hands, avoiding sagging hips or raised buttocks. Start with 20 seconds, focusing on breathing slowly and maintaining alignment. The plank strengthens the entire core, shoulders, and lower back, improving posture and stability in daily movements. Variations include side planks or lifting one limb to increase difficulty. Bonus tip, creatine. Creatine naturally boosts your muscles' ability to generate quick energy, allowing heavier training and promoting hypertrophy. It also increases cell hydration, aiding growth and recovery. But there are common mistakes that can turn creatine from a powerful tool into a problem. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you.